Alright, so now we're talking about statements that are contrary to fact with regard to if and then. So here it says, when the statement is contrary to fact, then we do something tricky. We use the past subjunctive in the if statement and the conditional in the then statement. Now let's pause and think about this real quick. When I say if X were the case, then Y would occur. So when I say if X were the case, it's kind of using the past. It's almost as if you were saying if X had happened or if X were the case, so in the past, then Y would be the case in the future. Okay? So with our if statement, we use the past subjunctive, and with our then statement, we use the future or future conditional or the just plain conditional. So, for example, si yo tuviera dinero, yo me compraría una casa grande. If I had money, if this were the case, past subjunctive, I would buy, conditional, a big house. Notice that this can also be written with the then statement first. You could say, yo me compraría una casa grande si yo tuviera el dinero. Again, if the then statement comes first, we don't use the word then, and we don't need a comma. Okay? But again, with the if statement, we do use the past subjunctive. If past subjunctive. Then conditional. Example 2. Si eso me importara, yo diría que es. If that were important to me, then I would say that it is. But since it's not, I won't. All right, number 3. Si tú me hubieras escuchado. Notice how we're implementing in our if statement the past subjunctive of the helping verb to have, right? So, si tú me hubieras escuchado, entonces habrías hecho lo que te pedí. And with so if statement, past subjunctive, then statement, we're using the conditional. So if you had listened to me, then you would have done what I asked you to. Number 4, si yo quisiera uno, yo me compraría uno. If I wanted one, if that were the case, past subjunctive, then I would buy one or buy myself one. So again, conditional. Number 5, si yo hubiera querido uno, entonces me habría comprado uno. If I had wanted one, if this were the case, past subjunctive, then I would have, conditional, bought myself one. All right, so study these closely. You might jot these examples down and have them to reference. We will be working with some of these phrases in class.